Hi, this is Taylor from Zoho, and today we are talking about using AI to identify any potential risks or liabilities in contracts. So let's go ahead and look at Zia Hubs to see how we do this. So in Zia Hubs, I have several contracts here, and I want to understand if there are any potential risks in this 2025 equipment leasing agreement. So what I'm going to do is just ask the computer to see if there are any. Identify any potential risks or liabilities, and we'll hit enter. The computer will do its thinking. And we have a return for potential risks and liabilities. And some of those would include liability for damage, insurance, late payments, renewal and termination, and return conditions. So that all seems pretty good. And most importantly, we have the sources listed below where we are using the contract that we asked to be searched, 2025 equipment leasing agreement, and there are different sources for where this information is being pulled from. So that shows how we can quickly try to get an idea of what are the potential issues with signing an agreement. However, Zia Hubs should not be used as a replacement for legal counsel, and you should always consult a professional accredited lawyer before signing contracts. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.